what makes a school more than just a place to learn? Community centers connect learning, families, and communities, creating opportunities for all. This is the story of Quebec's community learning centers. Community schools are more than classrooms. They are hubs for learning, engagement, and connection. Community schools integrate academics with services for students, families, and English-speaking community, contributing to success for all.
Having CLC being a community school makes me think of the phrase, it takes a village. What happens when you have a CLC as part of your school community? You have a village.
I've been working here for many, many years. Valcartier Elementary School is an amazing school with an amazing school community that comes together and does all sorts of activities, providing our students with great opportunities to learn.
Our students go reading at daycares. So they go to a French daycare, but they read in English. We enrich the community, but we are so very enriched by them as well.
First of all, a solid network, both within boards and outside of boards. So we see our relationship with each other, not just a school or a school project. We've seen also the development of CLCs as part and parcel of everything from strategic planning to the ministry's orientations to schools' local educational projects, where they really become part of the fabric of each of our schools.
Community school is a shared ownership of the growth and well-being of our children, of our families, and our communities.
The students are able to connect with us when we're in the schools with our intergenerational projects. It brings together seniors, brings together the youth. 4-year-olds, the 5-year-olds we were able to work with our autism program.
The school that can provide students with new opportunities, new learning opportunities, it's the whole community. So an opportunity to be able to bring people into the school and share these experiences with our students have made, in my mind, a big impact. We have a lot of volunteers that come in to our schools to provide so many different opportunities for our students.
Community schools empower students by providing personalized support, hands-on learning opportunities, enriching programs that contribute to improving school climate, increasing student success, and contributing to social-emotional well-being. Through creative expressions like art and media, students bring their bilingual and multicultural identities to life. Visual storytelling transcends language barriers, helping students build confidence and connect with others. Bilingualism opens doors, creating opportunities for connection, understanding, and success.
When we had our steering committee was a project based around special needs. Our school board has equipped the school with extra resources to take care of the special needs community. And so we use that as a way to start looking at members of our community that also had a mandate to serve this segment of our population.
As a teacher, the most important part of the CLC project is the possibility it offers to students to have authentic learning experience. So teach a concept, but be able to apply it in real life for students is quite powerful and meaningful.
Engaging these students, being leaders, future leaders, but also developing their sense of worth in the community and the network is very important. So for us, I can see concrete examples, especially for our school board, that this is certainly a motivator for our students that might be, more secluded in the academic learning. So it's their opportunity to shine, certainly in these projects.
To be part of the CLC community is the opportunity to share our ideas, the project we've put through. If we can inspire each other as teachers and learn from each other through the CLC conference.
The more you feel part of a community, the more likely you are to stay. I think community schools are one solution to help make people want to stay because they feel part of this community and their community is here to help them.
It was like if we were like a big family.
Community school approach allows a school to extend beyond the classroom walls. It allows learning to take place in all kinds of contexts, and it definitely develops the relationships between the school community, our stakeholders. That includes parents, that includes partners, and so on. So it adds layers and dimensions to the school experience that we wouldn't otherwise have.
Community schools are transforming lives. Supported by the CLC Network and Learn's provincial resource team, schools collaborate to create lasting impact. Our mission is to strengthen schools by fostering partnerships that empower students and their communities. Through shared leadership and a commitment to holistic education, CLCs help transform schools into centers of innovation and inclusivity across Quebec. Stronger together, the impact of CLC schools. CLC schools serve as community hubs, building partnerships that support student learning and well-being. They connect schools with local organizations to enhance academics, social-emotional learning, and career explorations.
CLC has brought a lot of encouragement and motivation to students and even staff. Everyone works together. We have so many activities going on through our CLC that involves all aspects, whether it's arts, sports.
Because of our partnership and our connectedness to the schools, our communities feel like they belong, our students feel like they belong.
Behind every successful community school, there are two people: the community development agent and the CLC principal. The community development agent fosters partnerships, engages families, and connects students with community resources to address needs and enhance learning opportunities. The CLC principal provides leadership to align the school's educational goals with the community school vision, ensuring collaborations among staff, families, and partners to support student success and well-being.
When you bring that level of passion to the teachers and the staff, the result and the outcome for the students, which is the goal for them to be successful and to receive as much result as possible from that activity. When you include that passion, the teachers and the staff feel so much more confident in you.
One of the most rewarding parts is seeing a project come to completion, having a teacher that may not be comfortable dealing with the outside public coming into the classroom, but mentoring those teachers to learn about how to work with community partners.
I think the role of a principal these days is becoming daunting. And so that shared leadership between the community development agent and the principal at getting things done, at ultimately reaching the goals of your educational project together in different ways.
Fortunate to have a community development agent who so actively coordinates and plans a variety of activities for our students to participate in.
School community partnerships, the heart of the success of the community school approach in Quebec's CLC Community School Network.
Outside the school, we have the 4 pillars at our school. We call academic, arts, athletics, and active citizenship. And the active citizenship is something that's very key here at our school because it allows us to teach our students about our English-speaking community and the groups that serve us, but also to get them out into the community to perform service-based learning. When the community sees our students in the community performing a service, whether we're performing a service for one of our feeder schools or we're performing a service for the senior population of our community, it's a win-win for all involved.
To strengthen and sustain community partnerships means you have 2 partners, or at least the school and the outside resource. For there to be a true partnership, you need to have people who are speaking to one another. Creating a partnership sometimes is the easiest thing. It's the maintaining of that partnership as changing of staff, people change in a school, people change in an organization, reasons why we did projects and understanding where they came from, how they evolve, and as the players change, they can continue on. It's really difficult when you're starting over all the time. So to strengthen this type of school community bond, you need to have the funding in place to have the people in place.
I wish we could have a CLC in every one of our schools. We have many in our outlying regions, which these CLCs are the community hub, the English community hub for many of our schools. So that's very important to me. So I wish we had them in all of our schools, but maybe one day.
Together, we're building bridges, connecting schools, families, and communities. Quebec's community schools are vital to the English-speaking community because they foster strong school community partnerships, leading to improved student success, enhanced well-being for families, and a more vibrant and supportive community for all.